What's the meaning of cellulite? Cellulite. Cellulite.
Cellulite. Cellulite. Cellulite is a condition that occurs when the fat cells beneath the skin push up against connective tissue, causing a dimpled or lumpy appearance. It is most commonly found on the thighs, hips, buttocks, and abdomen. The exact cause of cellulite is unknown, but it is thought to be related to genetics, hormones, and lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise. Although there is no known cure for cellulite, various treatments such as massage, creams, and laser therapy may help to improve its appearance.